Good afternoon, friends. Just now I given this first kind of student who are only studying. Now I'm going to tell you the second kind of students who are going for classes and studying. I will tell you for our kind of students. Try to wake up at morning 5 o'clock. Complete your morning works like bathroom and this that. Just complete in half an hour. Don't wake up and sit for study. Other if you are woke up and sitting with study in that bed only, you will feel sleepy again. So don't do that. Just wake up, go bathroom, take some tea or something and sit with freshly, so it will be fresh, you won't feel sleepy. So wake up morning 5:30 and make it a 3 hours a slot. Try to completely sit 3 hours, take the theory subject and complete the things. Next you want to go classes, just go through classes. After coming the classes, have food, take a nap and start with the next subject with practical. But I will suggest to who are going classes, try to take that subject only, because whatever the problems, they will tell their concept and they will solve the problems in classes. If you are coming and doing the same thing, it will be fixed in your mind, it will go your temporary memory to the permanent memory. So try to complete that. With that, complete RTP, MTP, workbook and whatever the scanner old question papers, because any problem you can ask your lecturers and you can solve at a time. Okay, don't leave anything. And I want to tell you the point, you don't tell that okay, MTP is not released, that you can refer the old MTP and RTPs. Maybe December they will release soon. So this is the plan for the next who are going classes. With that, complete after coming classes, complete whatever they taught in your classes. And morning again, take morning compulsory theory subject because it is needed. Okay, now third person who are working maybe 9 to 6, 10 to 7 like that. Morning you should wake up at 5, take half an hour your morning works and try to sit 3 hours slot with the theory subject, which is audit or OM theory or whatever the theory subject. Just take it. After that, go your office and coming after coming from the office, take small nap or half an hour rest, then start with the practical, because after work you will be tired. If you take theory things, you will be sleepy. So don't take theory subject, take the practical subject and try to solve it. Try to sit 3 hours slot. Try to who are working, try to give the 6 hours at least in a day, at least maximum 4 to 5 hours, because it is necessity. And if you have Saturday Sunday, in that whatever you are not completed, try to complete in Saturday Sunday, and make the revision in that. Sunday till 3 to 4 o'clock you just study and give the half day for your refreshment. If you continue studying or working, it will be make you bored. Don't make your study bore or pressurized. Just make it interesting, keep your passion, keep the interest and do it. It will be work much than that. Okay, don't think, oh, we have to sit 14 hours, 16 hours, 12 hours. No, it is not at all like that. Of how much you can study it passionate way, and try to make the observe the things easily in your mind. Make your mind empty, take it easy way and try to complete the study properly. uh, I'm telling, just make the proper plan and keep at the end point. Who are working nearby exam, take the holidays, try to complete your whatever the study or revision left, complete it and give it the proper way exams. Don't think, oh, I'm working, I can't complete and this. So just make it a proper plan. Proper plan means morning, I'm telling, go with the theory and evening go with the practical, because after tired you can't go with the theory, you will feel sleepy. So just make it theory and practical. So last kind of students who are working and going classes, it is a bit hectic. I am going to suggest, please complete the first classes. Work is necessity, okay, complete the work. It will take time. Just I am not telling you are not going to complete with working and studying. Just complete your classes also, take it time, make proper study. and then give the exams, because morning you'll go classes, then job, again classes, and coming it will be hectic. If you have that capabilities, after coming from the job you have time study, or morning you have time, just study. Try to study at least 2 to 3 hours. We are doing both the things like work and classes. It is not impossible, it is bit hectic. So take morning 1 hour or 2 hour theory, evening after completing your job and classes take 2 hours practical. Try to study minimum 3 to 4 hours who are doing job and study. Like this, just make the plan. End of the nearby exam, just make the holidays from office and try to study and cover it. It is bit hectic who are doing the work and study. So but try it, never give up, you will be succeed. Like this, just I'm not able to tell exact plan, just I'm telling take the two subject, theory and practical, and complete it. And one by one I will give the videos which is helpful for you. I will try to give you each and every question solved with practical and theory. If you have time, make your short notes. It is a very important, because nearby exam time we don't have time. Now we have enough time, but near exam time we will get lot of pressure and we are not able to solve. Just make the short notes and practical, now solve everything. But the second reading you just may just write down the adjustment side, don't repeat the same question, and make it short way, so you can able to revise it nearby exams. If you like this video, if you like this plan, please subscribe my channel, that is a CMA Leave. Inform your friends about this, and share the video if you are feeling it is useful. And thanks for watching this video, and thanks for supporting me. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.